If you love computers and you want to protect your country from hackers and cyber threats, you might be wondering which military branch is the best for cybersecurity. Well, all the answers depend on what you're looking for, but we're going to break it all down for you. So the Army is one of the top choices, especially with its cyber branch, and you're going to be trained to defend against cyber attacks. The Air Force also has strong cyber operations, providing great tools and support to protect the nation. The Navy, with its cyber warfare engineers, is another great option. These people protect important information systems on ships and submarines. The Marines are working hard to boost their cyber team too, offering a smaller but close-knit cyber group. And don't forget the National Guard, where you can serve part-time while focusing on cyber defense skills. Now that you know the options, are you ready to take action? You can start your journey today by researching these branches and figuring out which one fits your goals. If you like this video, leave me a like. Love ya.